This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 48 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we're continuing the base, part 4 of the base. I think the penultimate part of the base, but we'll find out as time goes by. Of course, we're going to look at The End is Near in the magazine first. I don't know what that's about. It's about the saga of the Gauntlet, because that's what this section is always about. Finding out about what's going on. Captain America there, and obviously a gauntlet, not necessarily the gauntlet that we're building. There we go. That's that. So yes, the base part 4. We're going to be using the parts that we got last time and the parts from this time, putting the cross brace together, putting the tube together, and fitting that indeed into the base itself. So it will look a bit like that with that separate. Why is that separate? I'm going to put it on it. You know I am. Then we're going to look at U2, UA2. I don't know, the Watcher. We'll just call him the Watcher because I know how to pronounce that. That is him. He has appeared in some series. Jonathan Hickman, another artist or writer or whatever he is. You'll find out if you read the words. I never will. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this built. Okay, here we are. Parts from this time, parts from last time, and other bits. So let's put that aside for now. First of all, we've got to put the cross brace together. But interestingly, that it fits together doesn't actually fit together. It goes together with itself. But that's all it does. We don't actually have to install that onto the tube. I think I may be right in saying that it's going to be installed into the gauntlet. Maybe that's at a later date. When I've done the build of the gauntlet of the month, I may have a look and see if I can figure out how it's going to fit together, where it's going to go in. Because the main chunk of the gauntlet is actually done. It's just the the fingers and putting it together that we haven't done yet. So we'll figure it out. So there we have that together. So that's the first bit done. Next up, we are installing these two together with this outer tube. Interestingly enough, that it fits around the outside rather than internally. There we have that, and that will fit onto our stand. Let's show you this. There we go. We'll put that up there right next to the camera. That will go in there like that. It's quite tall. I mean, the gauntlet itself is going to be quite tall, so that's going to be quite impressive. So that's that. And this will obviously at some point just slide onto the end now. I think it probably will. Not the easiest of things to fix, but it does work. So that will go on there like that, and that's basically what this is going to fit onto. That's probably going to go down to that. That might be why it fits on the outside, if that's what that lever's down to. There's no other way of fixing that in place. There's no other brackets or anything on there, so yeah. So that's that for now. That is this piece and the stand completed. I shall put this away, out of the way, and I might well come back to it and say when I've finished the build of the other issues, the other parts in this issue, in this delivery rather, I should say. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon. Bye bye for now.